I'm Maddie and let's do it on board, where everything is made really simply, so anyone can do it. Join me, let's go do it. So let's do it on board, how about it? Let's go make some sweet potato boats. Sweet potato boats. Separately, the two words already got my attention. Sweet, yum, eat, yum, 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 yum. And potatoes. Oh my god, who does not love potatoes? And boats. Look where I am. Together, these words mean it is healthy for you, stable sugar levels, no animals were killed in shooting this video, seeing that it's vegetarian, and it has less carbs than rice, potatoes, and pasta. Pasta! This is perfect if you have a vegetarian in the house. If you want to get a proper jaw drop when you bring your food out. If you want to get the approval nod from every little health freak out there. Or on game day, you only have one hand left, seeing that you already have a beer in the other. And the best thing about it is you can make it for 2 people, you can make it for 200 people. It's easy and it's quick. This is ideal. Expect these comments. It's the most underrated vegetable in the world. It tastes like sweeties. Did you put sugar in there? Let's do it on board, people. Let's do it on board. I do believe that veggies do not have to taste like the veggies you had to eat when you were small. Yes, Mom, this is still very healthy, but it looks absolutely evil. Hail the sweet potato, superfood, super carbs, power food. Everybody loves the sweet potato. Everybody loves the sweet potato. Not only does it protect you against free radicals, which means against aging, the beta carotene gets converted into vitamin A in your body, and this is what forms light receptors in your eyes, so you will not only look young but have sparkly eyes as well. Olive oil, garlic, 2 more superfoods. The onion, not only bad for your breath but great for your immune system. Beans, these are black beans, apparently one of the #1 healthiest foods in the world. Spinach, everybody knows spinach is good. Corn, great to keep your sugar levels up. Sesame seeds, great and full of protein, same as sunflower seeds. Chives, sour cream, milk, sun-dried tomatoes, feta cheese. Okay, are you ready? Let's do it. It's time to do it on board. Come, sweet potato. Same size sweet potatoes, so it bakes the same time. And let's go bake it. I think it's ready. Looks good. good for you. It is fabulous. The creamy feta, crunchy corn, the beans, you don't really taste it. It just makes it more meaty, I'd say. And the seeds on it makes it amazing. This is a real good combination, I'd say. I think it would pair well with something spicy like a curry, or maybe like a chorizo. Oh, and you can even put bacon on it if there's no vegetarians in the house. And leftovers, if there would be any. I would say just put an egg on it. This is really, really good. If you like it as much as I do, subscribe and I will show you a new recipe every week. Bon appetit. I only have one question, really. One hand. Where's my beer?